not call the CHR anymore. But we will have the affidavits. Unless you want to cross-examine them. You know, the tendency of senators is when they see a witness and they see them on the carpet, they will ask questions.
Mr. Chair, I will accede to the wishes of the chair and the majority, except for the, if possible, the chairman of the CHR, because there are questions about the UN, about how they handled all of this. So if the chairman of the CHR can be here, it would be better. But again, I will accede to you as you know the time frame for all of this, Mr. Chair.
Yes, because ang habol nga natin dito, in aid of legislation, yung complaints ng CHR are policemen who have done them wrong. May mga pulis silang binabanggit doon. I think based on the testimony, pwede na natin i-refer yan sa PNP. I would like to call them, but to me, although we have influence, we cannot do anything about their cases because they have to be, the case has got to be worked on. So if we, sa akin, I can make a quick go at it tomorrow morning for the CHR, and then we're done with it. Tingnan lang natin yung affidavit, present natin sila rito para malaman natin kung ano nangyari. If that's okay with you, that's what I'm going to do. Okay? Okay, we will have their appearance here tomorrow then. But then we have also the witnesses from Davao. I'm also worried about that because they came all the way from Davao. I believe there are 16 of them. Ilan ba, Comsec? 16. So we don't need, like I said initially, like Senator Lacson and I when we were discussing, tatanggi lang yan, sabihin lang, no, we're not members. So ano pang gagawin natin? We're not members, and at least itong mga natawag natin, they were able to, you know, give us details, no? Ako, nakikita ko lang pwede tawagin dyan, yung sinasabing driver ni Mayor Duterte na gusto kong tawagin because palagi lumalabas yung pangalan niya para wala tayong tinatago rito. Pero the rest, yun naman si Laud, maldado na. Unless we want to go to Davao, which to me, again, he'll deny whether he's a member of the, well, I have no right to say that, but from my experience, when you ask somebody, ginawa mo ba yan? Lahat sila, no. Sabihin nila yan. Pero unless we have corroborating evidence, wala tayong magagawa. That is why, to my mind, we stick to our charter, which is to come out with the investigation and come out with pieces of legislation that will make our law enforcers more effective. So what is the pleasure of the committee?
Mr. Chair, not to speak for the others, but the purpose of having them here was twofold. One, so that Mr. Matubato will be able to identify them, which most, if not all of them, already said that they're willing to stipulate. Secondly, for them to clear their name, wherein only the three have said that they want to say it in the microphone, and everyone else said that they are satisfied today. So unless any other member would want them for any other purpose, maybe we can excuse those who are not needed. Again, unless any other member would like to ask further questions.
Honestly, I'm so exhausted, physically and mentally. So I want a break tonight. Of course, we would want to listen also to the CHR witnesses. And with respect to the other police officers named by Mr. Edgar Matubato, maybe they can all face the committee at the same time, and then let's throw out general questions to them.
With all the policemen now?
The policemen.
So we'll do it now.
So
There are no
willing.
objections?
They're not willing to come back tomorrow.
Mr. Chair, I can speak for them, but I know they're all from Davao and they're here at their own expense. So I would assume they'd rather finish tonight and be able to go home to their family tomorrow.
Those are my sentiments, exactly. So with the permission of everyone and with the permission of General, Director General also, out of respect, do you mind if we get your men here already? Because these are your men from the PNP. And we want them to make a clean breast of it, or we want them to testify whatever they're going to testify on. So can we call now all the policemen here that were brought in from Davao, and can we have them sit, can the pages allow them to sit in together para makita natin lahat? Bigyan nyo ng mga silya dyan sa tabi para malaman lahat. 1 minute suspension. Pages, please proceed and get them.